Murimu wa Malaria ni umwe wa mirimu iria yuragaga andu muno guku bururi-ini, undu uria utumite mihango ya kuhurana na murimu uyu inyitithio thinga na njira nene, una gutuika gututhuka kwa murimu wa COVID-19 nikotometie mihango ya kuhurana na murimu uyu thi yothe. Kuringana na Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta, uria uraragia hindi ya mucemanio wa kwaregereria uria mabururi mang'ethanira na murimu uyu, augite mieri iri mihituku niaruguririe macini cia drone iria irahuthika kuhura dawa ihumo-ini cia rwagi kaunti-ini irigomeirwo ni murimu uyu, undu umwe na mbeu njithi aria marirutaga wira na macini icio.
Focus on Alma's key agendas, which I think we really laid out last time and which I would like to repeat once again. And these really are a 4-point agenda that focuses first and foremost on digitization and the use of real-time data.
Bururi wa Kenya ni umwe wa mabururi 10 gitaru-ini kia Africa maria marahuthika ta muhiano wa kuonania uria mutambo uyu mweru urahuthika, undu umwe na gikundi kia Alma kiria kiraruta wira na macini ici.
We want to ensure that the great work of the Global Fund and all our other partners have contributed over the years in helping us fight malaria will not be reversed in the coming years. We need to ensure that we protect the architecture, the infrastructure that we have developed for malaria, even as we fight future pandemics.
Guku bururi-ini makiria ma kaunti 20 na iria iri mwena wa Nyanza, Western na mwena wa gicua-ini nicikoragwo igomeirwo muno ni murimu uyu thengia ya kambeini iria ikoretwo ho thi yothe ya kuhukia murimu wa malaria gugikinyaniria mwaka wa 2030. Andu makiria ma milioni 1.8 nio marwarite murimu uyu guku bururi-ini, na o mwaka andu 10,700 ni makuaga ni murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rituroko ni wa